Welcome to my channel. Welcome, and today what we are going to do is download Call of Duty Modern Warfare. I hope we'll do better in it. Let's go. Yes, here is it. I've already downloaded it, like here. You can download it here. Call of Duty Modern Warfare. I'll link it down. Shit, I've got a problem. What it said, battle.net requires Windows Secondary Logon service to be enabled. Please click on the here. Code below the instruction for instruction to enable it. Okay, now you can click over here, or you can do is do this service.msc. Then you can find the thing what's written over here. Windows Secondary Logon. You can do it automatic. Over and done. Okay, now close it. Run it again. Everything will be linked down below, and I'll give a complete instruction to download it, where to go and download it, and any other necessary files if you need it. You can comment it down below, and you can support me if you want to. I know people do not support anyone like that. I'm just waiting. It takes time, man. It takes time. My internet connection is like too slow. I don't know, maybe what. Okay. What's this? And you can install it. Let me install it and play. I think I have to download some files. Guys, it will install and you can play it easily. I'll be back after it gets 100%. I'll just save you time. Okay, let me pause this real quick so that you don't have to wait a lot.
Fire burns and destroys. Heat and smoke make death.
So it has been installed and I log into it. You have to create a new Blizzard account if you don't have it, or if you have it, you can log in directly. And you can play, I think. I'm just waiting for the game to open up, you know. Yes, what does it come? Starts install. So it will take forever to complete this because I've got slow internet connection. So I think we'll complete it as soon as possible, and when it's complete I'll play it and post the next video. So till then, bye bye. If you want some new things to come on my channel, you can just comment it down. I'll be listening to you guys. Bye bye.